Let's talk about video equipment you need to get started with YouTube. So this can vary depending on what type of videos you're shooting and the content, what industry, and so forth. So let me just start off with what is the least expensive thing that you can do to get started and start filming videos right away and get good quality stuff. First thing you can do is use your phone. Your phone is extremely high quality. The biggest thing with your phone is the audio and the lighting isn't great. So I'm going to go through a few pieces of equipment first that you can get started with your phone and start filming right away with good quality. Granted, in good lighting, you can already do great stuff with your phone. The only caveat is you need to get good sound quality from your phone. So a simple way first is to get good lighting is let's go into Amazon here, since everybody buys everything on Amazon. So you already probably seen all those selfie ring lights. So this is a great option. For $50, you can get a selfie ring light. It's a tripod, has your light option on it. You can connect your phone so you can film in different formats and so forth, from vertical or horizontal. So this is a great purchase when you're first getting started out. Obviously, there's another step up now where it tracks your face and movement. If you're doing more fitness videos, you're walking around. But if you're just doing kind of a talking head video, this is great. Aspect. The other thing that I want to talk about to get started right away is good sound quality. So you can get a lavalier mic, which is super inexpensive, for about 13 bucks. It has a 16-foot cable, so you can drag it all the way through your clothes and stay in front. It will just clip to your shirt and make it easier, and you can start filming good quality sound right off the bat. The next step up, if you're willing to spend and invest, is really to get a boom mic. For $200. Obviously, you can get the attachment, you can have it plugged directly into your phone, but create that boom mic with a stand to get really high-end quality sound coming out for your videos. This can make things a lot more versatile. Also, when you get a nicer camera as opposed to shooting with your phone, you can attach the boom mic and so forth and get more directional sound. It also comes with a wind muffler, so if you're outside filming, it will get rid of the wind sound. So this is the next step up with the Rode Videomic Studio Boom Kit that comes in. You can set up your studio and get really, really good quality sound and put it above your head and really get good quality sound. Next step, if you're shooting stuff a lot outside, this is a really inexpensive wireless microphone. So if you're doing, basketball drills or, fitness videos or things that you need to be further away from the camera, this is a great wireless mic that you can then connect into your phone and get set up, a good sound quality and so forth for, almost 120 bucks. I think they have a coupon. You can get it for even less. The few adapters you need, depending on if you have an iPhone or a Android, you need these little adapters to be able to connect the devices into your sound to record the sound. So this is, again, 15 bucks for the iPhone. This one's Magnatech. It's only $9 for the Android. Again, I'm going to put all the descriptions down below so you guys can purchase it. Obviously, it's affiliate links. It helps me out, supports the channel, all that great stuff. But regardless, I'm just trying to make it as easy and user-friendly as possible so you know exactly what to get started right off the bat. And for a low-quality cost to still get high-quality results. And then the next step up would obviously be getting a really good quality tripod. So if you're moving to a bigger camera, you're shooting with your phone, you want to get those better quality tripods. So there's the KF Concept, which is really light. It's great for traveling. You can move it. It's really versatile and so forth. So it's a great one for about 90 bucks, and it has a 5% coupon as well. Really recommend that one since it's light and user-friendly to really travel with. One that I really like is the Fluid Head Tripod Co-Man. It has a detachable face. Top thing, it has an adjusted, so you can really move around and get good quality shots. Set your cameras on it and so forth, and quick release, all that great stuff. And again, it's regularly like $120. I think you can get it with a $20 coupon, or used to for about $99, or you can check for coupons. I think I got it for like 70 bucks. But again, great tripods. Having a good tripod is very good when you're upgrading your cameras, even if you're using your phone. But initially, if you're just using your phone, like I said, just use that ringless mount until your YouTube channel is starting to really generate money and you're monetized, and you can put more money back into your channel to grow and get better quality content. Next, like I said, is lighting. So first was a very cheap version of a ring light. The next would be the newer 2-piece bicolor 660 LED video light kit. So you're getting 2 big light kits, good stands, comes with it, travel packages, everything set up, be able to adjust the lights for less than $200. So this is a great deal when you're starting to shoot and getting really more serious and having good quality light to really produce really great quality content. Next and last, I would say get a good quality camera. So that comes in right now, and this is 2021. So this shoots 4K. It's really simple to use. It's Canon. It will be adapter to use a lot of Canon lenses. Obviously, there's tons other cameras out there to shoot with, but like I said, when you first start off, I say just get started with your phone. Your phone is really high quality. It works great, but when you're ready to step up, this is more advanced. So $849, I think you can get it refurbished on Canon's website for around $790. And then obviously you have to add the lens, and there's multiple lenses. I'm not even going to list them in the video and so forth, but you can, progress and get tons of different lenses to get better shots and so forth. Next, if you're just shooting camera from your computer and so forth, this is a super inexpensive webcam. I recommend getting a webcam as opposed to using your computer or your PC or your Mac webcam that it comes with. Upgrade that and get a nicer webcam. Like I said, for $70 you can get really good quality content, produce good videos, get good sound. You can also get like a Yeti microphone. They're great, that I'm speaking into right now, with a little muffler so it clears the sound and makes it nice and crisp. So very important. So like I said, if you want to get started on a super low budget, the first thing I'd get is that selfie ring, right? And good quality sound. So just get that lavalier mic or the boom mic set, or the wireless microphone, depending on what type of videos you're shooting. And then from there, you can progress up on different levels. And obviously from a camera standpoint, you can go up to different, Sonys and Canons and shoot really high quality with the Mark, 5 or whatever it is now and so forth. I'm more about getting just good quality videos. And I don't think you need to break the bank you get started. Obviously you can, but I recommend the biggest thing with YouTube is staying committed and getting quality content pushed out and working on your videos to improve the engagement of them. So then you can start investing back into your channel and get better quality content, get people to shoot with you, get editors and so forth, and getting people to do it for you. So the best thing you can do is really hire somebody to edit your videos, edit your content, so you can start producing more content and focus on what you're great at. And if you need help with that, obviously the course and my team can do that, and you can hire our team to edit your videos, to post to your social media, to really grow your channel faster and more effectively before you start investing in more equipment. Equipment can get really expensive very fast. Like you can just see all the stuff that's added in my cart right now is about $1,600, including the camera, which isn't bad to get started. Obviously, you can go buy a $5,000, $10,000 camera alone with no lenses, no tripods, all that stuff. So the price can go really fast, not even to mention software to use to edit and so forth. But again, this hopefully will give you a good start to get started on equipment that you can use and keep the budget down so you can get and start posting more content for your YouTube channel right away. All right, thank you. Take care.